Workflow at a standstill because of the compiler module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix localized shader script compiler logic conflict for good. I recommend the automated system scan for compiler module to finish your setup in seconds. This is the compiler module, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume applications to house their internal script parsing and localized bytecode compilation logic. Because it lacks a standardized parent, a missing compiler DLL error usually requires a full reinstallation of the specific software that triggered the message to restore the file. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Because compiler module DLL is tied to the localized shader / script compiler logic runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing compiler module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for compiler module. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with compiler module and PC health. If this diagnostic helped you resolve compiler module error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.